Hi, my name's David Henwood. I'm at the junction of the Littlemore roundabout, Newman Road, on the A4158. This is one of the most busiest areas in Littlemore, Rosehill and Cowley. And one of my major concerns that I'll be campaigning for is to remove some of the calming measures on the Newman Road to make the passage via Newman Road onto this main road far more easier. So at the moment we're seeing traffic jams and traffic building up because of them, and it does look as if they're little used and they need to be removed. Okay, so I'm here today just to show you what this, on a normal day in normal weather conditions, just how busy this junction is. It is very dangerous. In the next few days I tried to cross it when it's a little bit more busier on a bicycle, in a car and a minibus. The minibus will be 5.5 metres long. That will represent local businesses like the cooperative, which have their deliveries in similar vehicles. Okay, so on my left we have the cycle track coming up from Littlemore Road. We have vehicles coming straight through. Sorry, just bear the noise, it's a bit loud here at the moment. We have the vehicles coming straight through from the roundabout and vehicles attempting to turn right in a very short distance onto the Newman Road. So if we just turn to our left a little bit, we also now have vehicles turning right into the Newman Road. This is the area that needs to be looked at urgently, long before the LTNs come into Cowley. So it's not an issue that will be formed because of the LTNs in Cowley. This is a completely different problem, but one that does need to be looked at urgently to allow the LTNs to be a success in Cowley. As soon as it starts to turn left, right, there we go, here's one. Here we go, go to camera. I'm not going to cross that road on a bike. I am not going to do it. I'm going to wait until it's a little bit more quieter. With the cars coming off on the left-hand lane of the roundabout, they travel much quicker. So what will happen if I get across there halfway on my bike, I'll be in front of the first lane. So any vehicles coming up from the roundabout will not see me until I try to cross the road. And I may not see them if it's a taller vehicle like a van. So it's incredibly dangerous for a bike to cross, and we do need to look at this junction quite urgently. We're now on the Newman Road at the junction of the 4158. To my left at the top will be the traffic coming off of the Littlemore roundabout. Okay, and then traffic coming in the opposite direction from Rosehill and the city centre. So as we know, at this junction we have two calming measures that narrows the road just here. These were put in a few years ago by the local city councillors in Littlemore ward. The intention was good. The original intention was to get a pelican crossing or some form of crossing to make it safer for pedestrians and cyclists. Unfortunately, because this is a compromise plan, it hasn't worked. They do need to be removed because traffic is now backing up on the A4158 and backing up on this road, making the junction incredibly dangerous, or more dangerous than it originally was. Okay, so my intention, my plan, what I'm trying to lobby for is a removal of these two calming measures to create a better flow of traffic. And what needs to happen is a safer crossing for cyclists when you get to the end of the junction to turn right. It's really important that we can open up an inclusive approach, a discussion to amend that junction so it's safer for all, not just for cyclists, cars and lorries, which is another problem, and how they will access it.